going into more Floodz, and it's spelled Floodz. Floodz.
You didn't even introduce yourself.
Oh, hi.
Hi, my name is Cody.
Okay, he was in Smurfy Cop in the other video we made yesterday.
It was Smurfy Cop and the Even No sound.
Somebody, he was the one who actually bought all the sour candy.
How am I still alive? I was just in the...
Okay, boom, dash, boom,
Really?
gravity coil,
Oh, I just died.
boom.
A weak
Trophy.
gravity coil. I can't believe they actually named that.
Okay, where are you? Oh, there it is.
I'm going into
What
medium.
the heck?
No,
I want that.
No.
Going hard.
Oh, should I?
Yeah.
I'll go in hard. Game is right. Come on.
Oh yeah.
So you just go right ahead and play.
All right, let's do this, everybody.
This is Owen, by the way. Coke Pepper.
Cokie Pepper 666. He is John Doe.
Yeah!
If you're wondering why I'm not friends with
come
this other
introduce
account,
yourself.
John Doe.
Come say hi at least.
What, wait, we already started, so I can't.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know me. You know who
You all know who he is. He is John Doe in disguise.
I like the music.
I've never finished a level on hard.
I finished like a million levels on hard in my
I
account.
thought you said you never played.
Yeah, I thought you said you've never played.
I played hard. I played this game.
You played Floodz game?
Heck yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
It's kind of jetpack.
Wait, somebody has a jetpack?
Where? I have a jetpack. I bought
Yes.
myself a jetpack with Robux
Yes, you
and it
do.
expires in like 5 days because it was limited time only. And it was like 200 Robux too. It was really
Dude, John Doe, come over here.
Okay.
Come follow me. The guitar man.
Dude, type in the chat. I'm a YouTuber with like a million subscribers.
No, I'm I'm wrecking you. Whoa.
I wrecked you. You wrecked me.
Whoa.
Oh,
Yeah, here you are.
my shit.
Did that hurt?
No, you didn't even touch me.
Okay, are you ready?
Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you.
Yeah, I'll do left.
I'll do right. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Absorbent and yellow and porous as he. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh, I can't make that. Oh yeah, he's chewing my gum.
This gum. You people better get it. It's super good.
So good.
It's actually really good, and also get spray candy. And he, ooh, I'm going into
Well,
easy.
Get this.
That is called watermelon.
Yeah, I did one. Yay!
It's called watermelon,
I'm
people.
good at this game. Oh, it's only us two. Oh, crap, it's only us two. It's only us.
No, I died a long time ago.
Oh, well then me and this other person.
Another person. At least you're not alone.
Yay! I'm alone. Hopefully do something. How come this thing keeps like pushing me back? That's how I die.
What does the trophy do?
A trophy does this. Boom.
That sucks. What does the crystal do?
Nothing. It actually does nothing. It doesn't look cool because you can't see it. Or one flickering. What are you doing? That's called poison, dude.
Amazing. I just wiped it off after.
It's your fault if you get poisoned.
I'm gonna wait for you. Can we do an easy?
I'm doing an
Say
easy.
hello to our friend Edith. Her name is Edith.
And she likes trains. She's very shy, but she likes to smile.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you.
No, let's do another hard.
gravity coil sucks.
No, look.
You just died.
No, I didn't die. I'm one of 2 people left.
Are you doing medium? Can we just do medium?
Why can't we do hard?
We need to get a hard.
Yes.
He
Alright,
escaped
everybody.
the cuckoo.
Wait, no. Easy. Easy. It's intermission on easy.
Okay.
Exit. Quick. Quickly, Cookie Pepper.
I'm in.
Yeah, boy. And just in time, it's full.
The good thing is that it's close to that we have like all the players we need. So it looks like they're all boys.
Hey, stop. Stop, dude. You're messing me up. You're messing up with my... Stop! I said stop, Cody, or you're not gonna make your own video.
Oh, cool.
I
can just make it at my house because I'm getting it. Because I already have a YouTube channel.
Oh, you already do?
Yeah.
I see. Oh, and it's called The Gamer Kids, if you don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and I never knew that.
Just if you look up the Gamer Kids, it's really bad because there's a lot of people named that.
Same with me. Same with me.
So, no.
You're living my life.
So just look up the video. Cool Creeper, or what am I saying? His channel. The Gamer Kids. First, fidget spinners, all capitalized, /1ST video. Look, set up. Give it a like. Please subscribe.
Oh yeah,
Because I only have 3.
He only has 3.
Please.
You're going up there. You'll be there, buddy.
Oh, well, in 100 years I will.
Yeah.
My dad has 5 subscribers. He's so lucky.
He'll probably give you your channel.
Huh?
Wait, are you in here? Yeah, you are. Alright, it's just us, everybody. Just go in here, go up there. Boom.
They're coming.
It's not open.
What's not open?
Oh, we have to jump up.
Yes. Yes, are you blind?
Yeah.
Oh, you are. Oh. Boom! I'm in already. Yeah.
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 Yeah, it's spelled Y-E. Oh, did you know that
I had no idea.
Did you know what that Y-E-E means? Ye? Because you know that mean ye? Like it goes like ba 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 bum ba ba bum bum ba 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 ye. It's hilarious.
I'm gonna wait for you to die. If you do that.
If I do that.
You don't.
No! Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I am sorry, Owen, but I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm not dead.
You're alive.
Yeah, that's great. It's a miracle.
Miracles have happened.
Dead.
I think a miracle just happened, people. Miracles are real. Oh my god.
Whoa! Oh no! Yeah, I'm dead. See? And he's stomping around because he thought miracles were true, but they're not.
I just got sad. Okay, wait, which one out?
Hard. Let's go, Owen! Go, John Doe, let's go! My friend is John Doe. He's been around since 2006. Yeah.
He's actually guest 666.
Yeah, he's guest 666 and John Doe. And Jane Doe. No, his sister,
Nobody
his sister's
friends him.
Jane
Nobody
Doe.
friends him.
But I'm friends with him.
Oh, okay. No.
He's not actually John Doe. Dude, give me my, can I have another spray can?
Oh! He got that, and I was trying to guard him.
Oh yeah, and this is called perfume for your mouth. Hold on. That should be a commercial. This is called
Now only $599.
This is called green apple, everybody.
And
It's perfume for your mouth, so get it.
and it's 200 something dollars. No, I'm just kidding. It's like $22. No, it's like $2. I take that back. It's like 2 cents.
Oh, intermission for medium.
You mean, oh, medium.
And easy.
Come on, quickly. Are you in here? Oh. Yeah.
We should have gone into easy.
My name is Yee, and I am Yee. And this Yee boy gonna be yeeing for all day.
Yee.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm going under.
Oh.
People.
Yeah. Yee.
Everybody risk their lives for each other.
Hey, there's a blue one over there. What? Your job.
No, it's not my job.
He's the only one with a gravity coil. A weak gravity coil, I should say. That's actually what it's named. A weak gravity coil.
No, Cookie Pepper. I'll never. Oh yeah, I'm alive, boy.
Boy, come
I
on.
remember this.
Alright, can. Oh, it's just me. Okay. Alright, Owen, you need to go quick.
That was housekeeping, guys.
Owen, you need to go quick, cause our lives are gonna. Yeah, we live. We're here. We're not by ourselves.
Alright, really quick. Pause this video and go subscribe to Nancy again.
Why? Why should they?
He's awesome. And go
Okay,
subscribe to me
that's-
and Roman Atwood vlog. This is really good.
Okay, it's people. People have opinions. Like I like the Lorax.
I hate the Lorax.
You're out of this video. You've never seen that movie?
Guys, comment below if you know what the Lorax is.
Alright, my next like it or not video is gonna be on Inside Out. I hate that movie so much. It's just me and this guy right here. Let's do it. No, there's 2 people left. In medium? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm calm now. That was a very mixed emotion.
Can I hit the letter K?
No,
Why?
because I don't want you to.
Odd kitty boy, come on.
Odd Kitty Boy, it's
If
just me and you, boy.
Odd kitty boy, if you're watching this, you just died.
Oh, he actually did just die. He actually did just die.
Well, yeah, he did.
Retarded intermission.
It's one.
Wait, it's intermission?
Here's the only one left in the game.
Intermission is hard.
No! Oh, no! Okay, I'm gonna try to go quick.
Nope. Game is ready.
No! Oh, I can still go. No! No! I'm still going! No! Oh, I'm in! Yes,
How
I'm
did you
in!
do that?
It's called magic, my friend. I'm the next Zach King.
Painful choices. Dang.
Yeah, I'm the new Zach King.
Zach K. Go subscribe to him too. He's really good.
No, subscribe to Thomas Sanders is more funny.
I don't even know who he is.
You don't know who Thomas
Go
Sanders is?
subscribe to Aaron's Animals. He's great.
No, subscribe to Brave Wilderness.
Oh yeah, go subscribe to Brave Wilderness.
He hurts himself for YouTube.
Yeah, he like hurts himself only for YouTube.
But guys, just go subscribe to him right now.
Pause the video.
Pause the video and go subscribe. What?
I just died. I don't like it.
The video's paused.
The video's paused. You subscribe to Brave Wilderness, right, everyone? Good. Did you die? Oh, Rondo, did you die?
If you guys see Coke
Coke. Oh no! I didn't die. The door crushed me. The door actually crushed
Oh,
me.
medium, it's intermission.
For medium?
Yeah.
Ah! I'm going as fast as I can. And I'm in.
Oh, go
Good
ahead,
job,
Ashton.
boy.
It's only us. Boy, it's just me and you in our lives.
K807. Come on. Come on. You can make it. I believe in you.
Yeah, you made it.
Oh, we're up here.
We're all the way up here, but we have to go down here.
Yeah, I'll get this button here.
Owen, are you dead?
Nope.
No? Well, I am. I'm about to be. I am about to.
Oh, I'm the first one in.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm not gonna make it.
I made it.
Owen, you have to go without me.
Button.
Oh, boy, I could still make it. It depends on how do I get up here. Oh, I can still make it.
Yay!
Did the other guy die?
Yes.
Oh,
Katie died.
Poor him.
For him,
If you're watching this, I'm very sorry.
We all feel that for you. Don't worry. You're not feeling that for yourself. We just feel bad for you.
I don't know if you heard that, but that's
Yeah, that's very strange.
I feel like
Owen, if you fall, you die. Okay?
I pressed the button. I died.
You died. I just warned you about that, dude. And my eyes are starting to hurt.
Oh, the heart is intermission.
For hard?
Can I go in?
No.
Oh, wait.
Because I'm almost done with
Like-
medium.
Overlook.
Boom.
Overpoop.
Guys doing it all by themselves.
Yeah, this poor man. AKA me.
Now you can
Alright, now everybody go. When Owen gets a channel, go to his channel right now. His channel's probably better than mine.
It's gonna be called Coach.
Oh, and do you have channel?
Not yet.
Ask my dad. He'll make you one.
I already know how.
Because he had one when he was like 4.
Oh. What was it called?
Family.
Uh,
That sounds like a horror movie name.
Oh, Easy's ready.
You go easy. See, look, I'm a sad and poor, lonely man, but I made it.
Well.
This is medium.
oh, cooker.
No.
Hey, come in.
There.
Wait, where are you still alive?
Yes,
Your heart or medium?
medium. How do I do this?
It's that one, that one.
Wait, I never knew there's a more remote area.
Dude, how did you know that?
Oh,
I know it. Because I'm the news king, everybody.
Oh yeah, it's a bonus round. Yay.
Bonus.
Or should I go to medium?
Guys, I'm doing a bonus round.
Beanos.
Oh yeah, and I died. I died, everybody. Everybody, I died. I'm
Obviously
so
he
sorry.
died.
I'm so sorry, everybody.
Obviously he would die.
Okay, I'm going to stop the video because he wants to do a video on this game or another game.
I don't care.
So
Bye, everybody.
bye, everybody. Subscribe and leave a like for more content.